Hello there, YouTube fam. If you are a chemistry enthusiast or professional or student, and if you are looking for an amazing tool that can help you in drawing the chemical structures without even breaking a bank, then you are lucky, my friend. In this video, I am going to tell you one of the amazing software which is free of cost and an alternative to the ChemDraw that can help you to draw a structure for your next research paper, or it can help you in your homework, anything related to drawing the chemical structure. Then this software will definitely going to help you. I'll show you all the amazing features which this software possesses, and also in the end I will tell you one of the very interesting secret that will help you in your research journey if you are in a chemistry field. So watch this video till the end. I hope this video will be very informative for you all. After completing PhD, I have decided to move to the industry for my career growth. But once I came out from the college, all my free subscriptions were expired and I have only two things with me. One is my laptop and the other one is the passion and love for chemistry. With these two things, I have started searching for the free alternatives for ChemDraw, because ChemDraw is one of the most important application that every chemist needs to make structures, to find the Cas number of that particular molecule, and to find the name of the molecules and to draw it in any project or in any presentation. So I want an alternative to the ChemDraw, but it should be free, because at that time I can't afford the subscription fees of the ChemDraw. So today in this video I thought to give the information about this software which is free of cost and works almost like a ChemDraw.
This software is KingDraw software. When you search the KingDraw, you will get these sites and you have to go to www.kingsdraw.com. This site, if you open it, you will reach to this page. Once you will reach here, you will find out that there is three options to download: the Android option, the Apple Store option, and the Windows. I'm going to the Windows option because I'm using the Windows PC. So you have to go and click here. Just after clicking, you can download this software. I already have downloaded this software, so I'll show you what kind of interface this software provide and how you can use it. So I'm opening this KingDraw software. It is almost similar to the ChemDraw. So all the functions here is also almost similar to the ChemDraw. But the best part about this software is that it is absolutely free and you can use it as many times as you want. Now it will look like this. You have to open a new project, and now if you wanted to draw anything, for example, if I wanted to draw the benzene ring, here you can see, just have to click it. If I have to draw the carbons attached to this benzene ring, I can draw with the help of these lines, and you can see it as many lines I want, I can draw it. Suppose I want to give the double bond O ketonic group here, I want to add, so I can go it like that, double bond, and I can go oxygen. I can write the oxygen over here by using this A option and then click it here and writing O. That's it. This way we can draw any structure. Now if I wanted to give the arrow to show that this reaction can be reduced into alcohol, so just by again I wanted to draw it, so I'll show you how we can draw it. This is very simple and easy. Now OH this way. Suppose this I have drawn, and now I have to write over this the reagent which I have used, or over the arrow the reagent which I have used. I can simply use this A and can write anything, whatever I wanted to write it. For example, we have used sodium borohydride. Select this and use this. So it will be now in the proper way. sodium borohydrate. Now you can write it like that. So in this way you can draw your structure. Now the other important thing is that how you are going to use this structure in your presentation. It is very simple, just like what you do in the ChemDraw. In a similar way you can do it here also. Just select it. For selection, this square box, you can use it, and once you have selected, you have to just use Control C, copy it from here, and then go into PowerPoint and paste it over here by using Control V. Once you put the Control V, and you can see here your structure is right here. In this way, you can draw your structures and can paste it on the PowerPoint. Now, the other important thing that you can do is you can give the colors to your functional group. For example, if you want to give the color to this benzene ring, just select this benzene ring and you can go to this color icon and you can select any of the color. Also, there is a custom colors also present. You can customize it by using any color, like or a yellow color with some dark, or something like a greenish yellow color, something like that, and you can give it. It will be, sorry, my mistake. So this one, if you give it, now you can see it, this changed the color. Now we can copy paste it here in the presentation also in this way. Control C and Control V. That's it. So in this way we can do whatever we wanted to do, just like what we do in the ChemDraw. I think what we can do here is we can give the positive charge, negative charge, anything, just by this icon. You can see it here. If you press the left key of your mouse, you have to continue press the key, left key, so that you can see all the icon. And once you wanted to, if you want to select the positive charge or the negative charge, then suppose I wanted to select negative charge, then drag the cursor to the negative and then release it. Now it will be changed into negative, and then you can press it here and then it will be converted into a negatively charged. So this way you can convert it. Now another thing that you can do is you can give the stereochemistry also. Suppose here you can see this is a dash and this is a wedge. So if you wanted to give the dash to this, you just simply can do it. If you wanted to give the wedge, you can simply give it like that. Anything you can do it here. Also, there are many other options which you can use it. For example, this is the eraser. You can use it to remove anything. Or if you wanted to add, you can just do it. Another thing that you can do here is you can zoom in or zoom out. If you wanted to zoom in, you can do it. And if you want to zoom out, you can do like that. These are some of the functions. You can explore many other functions in this software. It's up to you what you wanted to do. Now the important tip which I wanted to give to you all about this software, how you are going to find the gas number of this particular molecule. If suppose you want to find out this molecule, what is the name of this molecule, if you are not been able to rectify the name of this molecule, and if you wanted to find out whether I can buy this molecule from the vendors, then you need to know the gas number of this molecule. So the best way to do it is to first select this molecule and then use Control Alt C option together. And once you do this, go to Google and find ChemSpider. Here in this ChemSpider, you have to go to the search option, and here you have to press Control V. You have already, as I have told you, that here after selecting it, you have to press Control Alt C together, and then the smiley of this molecule being captured, and then you can paste this smiley over here like that and go for search. Once you search it like that, you can see it here, name and the structure of the molecule. You can find it here. The name is this, and the gas number here, you can see it is this one. This one is your gas number. Now, with this gas number, you can directly search it on Google and you can find out the vendors. You can see it here. Sigma Rich also provide this molecule here, this one. You can find everything. Also in this Chem Spider, you can see the vendors who can provide you this molecule. There are several name of these vendors, and you can, suppose if you wanted to buy it from Engine or Elpfizer, you just simply press it over here and you can get the quotation of this molecule, and you can search, you can get this molecule and the vendor, and you can find the pricing over here. That's it for this video. I hope you like this video, and if you find this video informative and interesting, then please hit the like button. Also comment me down below what's your thought and how was your experience using this software, and also share this video as much as possible. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, be happy. See you in the next video.